Class 9.2, Refrigerant Classification, Flammable versus Non-Flammable. Hey technician, ready for one of the most important safety lessons in this course? Let's talk about refrigerant classification, especially what's flammable and what's not, so you stay safe and legal on every job. In this class, we're focusing only on residential systems, the kind you'll actually be working on. Refrigerant safety classes. Refrigerants are classified by ASHRAE using this code: A1 not flammable, low toxicity; A2L slightly flammable, low toxicity; A3 highly flammable, low toxicity; B high toxicity, not used in residential systems. So remember, the num equals flammability. The letter is toxicity. Common residential refrigerants: 1. R22 Freon. A1 not flammable, still in use in older systems. 2. R410A Puron. A1 not flammable, industry standard for many years, high GWP global warming potential, now being replaced. 4. R32 slightly flammable, high efficiency, must follow A2L safety rules, used in newer mini splits and inverter systems. 4. R454B slightly flammable, replaces R410A in many systems, requires special tools and leak safety protocols. 5. R290 propane, A3, highly flammable, used in small appliances and some special mini splits. Not commonly used in standard residential split systems. Which ones are flammable? Non-flammable, A1, R22, R410A, slightly flammable, A2L, R32, R454B. Highly flammable, A3, R290 propane, used only in sealed systems with strict limits. Why this matters for you. If you're charging, recovering, or even cutting a line on a system, you must know what refrigerant is inside. Flammable refrigerants equal special tools, ventilation, no open flames. Leak detectors rated for A2L. Always check the label on the outdoor unit. It tells you the type of refrigerant used. Never guess. It's a safety issue. Included in your ebook, full refrigerant classification chart, symbols used on AC labels, A2L handling checklist. Comparison: R410A versus 454B versus R32. Legal requirements for flammable refrigerants. Final tip: as the United States transitions away from R410A, you'll see more and more A2L refrigerants in the field. Learning how to handle them safely gives you a career edge and protects lives. That's it for Class 9.2. Next up,